obodo oyibo. Hey! Mwana akpọje m obodo oyibo.
Yes, so America.
Nwa was hey!
Canada.
Ewe! N'ime kweri. Hey! Mba! Jide. Hey! Ne! Step on it, my angel. Step on it, oh!
Step on your rapper.
Ne, step on it. Your mother said you should step on it. The only beautiful girl in this village. Tell me another beautiful girl in this village, eh? Hey! I saw where you go. The only girl that will take me.
Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for bringing me up to this point. Thank you. I love you. I will take care of you. I will not disappoint you.
No. The only thing I want is for you to marry a rich man.
That's a done deal now.
A rich man that will change the face of this family.
Mama, I have no business with poverty. I mean, check me out.
Oh nego morogo, oh dear.
I have no business with poverty.
Oh yeah,
no.
Mama, you know the life is not the way we
Hey, if you and your mother likes poverty, you people like poor son-in-law, me and my household, we are moving to riches. We are moving to riches.
Good afternoon, ma. Good day, ladies.
Good afternoon.
Good day, ladies. Good day, ma.
Who are you people?
My name is Abuchi Ofodile from Zali. And this is my friend Israel.
Israel, yes. Israel there.
Yes.
We there.
Please, is this place the house of Mr. Samuel Ozoma?
It is.
I tell you now, we are in the right place. I have a quiz down now. Give us
please, can you give us a seat to see that we have something important that we came for?
Something important.
Sit.
Sit. Can't you say it standing? Does your mat need a seat to talk?
Mama, you know they said they came from another village. They must be tired. Let me get them a seat from the backyard.
Biko, can
Let's give them a seat now.
Zoike!
Mama, let me go and drop my certificate because they look like thieves.
Look, you go and drop it. Go. They look very hungry.
Where is the organ?
Madam, I don't tell you before, say my organ all day in the morning. I know so I tell you.
Are you mad?
Madam,
go and call him now.
Why you slap me?
Go and call him now. My car must be fixed today, or you rest in jail this weekend.
I don't tell you before.
You keep making me to come back here.
So that is it, Mama.
Yes, sir.
So that is why me and my friend came. And to seek her hand in marriage.
Yes.
You see, if she gets married to me, she will never regret it in life. Yes.
Oh, that's good news.
Yes.
So, good news for where? Getting married to who?
Hey! Hey! Give the idiot! Hey, God! My God!
What trying?
God, after all my prayer, after all everything I begged you, you did this to me, God!
Please, you guys should go!
Accept our condolence.
My brother!
Condolence is working there.
Why? Jesus! My God!
Mama, please.
Mind yourself, Ogechi.
Mama, please, we are sorry. This is supposed to be a thing of joy.
Yes.
But somebody died.
Why is she crying?
Mommy, relax. Onye nwere gade ebute okwu aka. Okay? Take care. My love, my mirror of beauty, my sunshine.
That's good.
You know what? Your love eliminates my war.
Hi, Dangote. You're not just rich in money, you're rich in words. Hi! Dangote.
Oh, woman.
Dangote.
Things and things. Things and things. You know what, baby? You're not just physically beautiful and endowed. You are beautiful inside out.
Hey! Oh,
and as an Oliver twist, I want some more.
Really?
Yes.
Anything for you, my Dangote.
Oh.
Dangote.
Call me Uncle Dan.
Uncle Dan.
$1 million. Oh, I like you know. Yeah. Oh, I like you know. The breast is relaxed. Oh.
You like it, eh?
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
His name is Rinky Bello. The money plenty. Maka wake bawe jala tu.
Mama.
Yes, at least. My name. Because
Yes,
you know that we are serious.
You can prepare.
The one I is serious.
Super caliber.
Busybody.
My son, I have heard you. I am coming. Oh?
Okay, move package up for them. They won't do and take away.
Let me go and bring cola.
Mama is going.
No, I need to help. I'm your wife now. I need to help her and bring cola. Oh, Chirina.
Just stay with us.
I'm coming. Okay, she's
Okay.
Sorry, what's that your name again?
Abuchi.
Abuchi. I will suggest you leave now.
Why?
Why?
Yes, you have to go. You have to leave here now.
Oh,
You have to go.
why?
You have to go. You see this that stand up.
This is the idea. Maybe they want to bring the marriage list now. Why?
There's no marriage list. You have to go, please.
We are not joking, no. If we marry this girl now.
Please, you have to go for your own good. The atmosphere is not good. Biko, biakono naba. Biko.
Why now?
I don't understand. You don't know what we're talking about.
I know what
See, what is this now?
Mama now. Courtship. Who's according to your size? You don't have money, you want to marry a fine girl. You're not ashamed of yourself. Tell you Micheal about.
Sorry.
Wait, oh, you know who this man is? He's a potential in-law. He's not type now, AA. Even in blood group now, O plus. Potential.
Mama, wear him this cap on his head.
You know what you are doing?
You shouldn't
Micheal,
have
follow them now. Follow them.
You are a woman. If you love him that much, follow him and get married to him.
Follow him. Nonsense.
Let me not meet you people here again.
I am allergic to poverty. Oh, get out. Want to marry wife?
You just miss a good in-law.
It's okay, please. Sorry about this. Hey, sorry.
He's allergic to cold water.
Hey, sorry. Okay, can I take you to my place so you can change your clothes?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go to my place, please.
You are missing a good in-law.
See, I dey try call her, you know they picking call. Eh?
I'm trying to call him too, he's not picking. See, if I arrest you now, they will say I'm a bad person.
Madam, why you go arrest me? Not my job I dey do. Eh?
What did you say?
Madam, my job I dey do. Because the last time when you slap me, I look you, I leave you, I just say make I let you go. Now you get me, they talk all this kind of thing. Eh? Foolish ones, girl.
What did you call me?
I don't tell you my own. Now wait till I tell you, now I tell you so. You not get you want do me.
I don't blame you, it's Abuchi that I blame.
Mama, she can go with them for all I don't care. I don't care. She can go with them.
Hi, Ujunwam. Okay, she's not your friend. He's not your friend at all. I don't know why you still keep her very close. Both of you are like two sides of the coin. See how she shamelessly threw herself on them. Hey, I think Ogechi is jealous of you. Let her not poison you.
Mama, no, she's not jealous of me. She's just classless. She doesn't have class. Yes, she settles for crumbs.
That's true.
Cheap commodities. She doesn't just have class.
Like mother, like daughter.
You know, like you. Exactly, Mama. Like, see the way she just shamelessly followed them.
don't have cash for any medication now. They just, maybe we'll get home, we'll do that.
Okay, don't worry about the money, it's on me. I'll pay for it.
It's okay, don't worry. Once we get change of clothing now, you stop. Besides that, is there any beer parlor around where we can branch and get some drinks? To stop.
Drinks, you need medication. Drinks cannot stop this thing now.
Abuchi, your phone has been ringing. Why not check who is calling?
Don't worry, let's
Okay, take us to your house.
Okay, yeah, leave.
That man is very, very lucky that I did not meet him here. On our yellow, I can't tell no without a car. So a short man came here to ask for would you want to the marriage without a car. Only with an man without a car. Who does that? Say he was. Let him count himself lucky that I did not come back and meet him. I would have poured out my frustration on him and tell him that I am so frustrated in life. Then what if the he say? He going to come and marry my sister without a car. On Ayana.
It is Legady's Benz.
Can you imagine?
Now you needed to have been there. To see the wretched man.
You people should have called me. Let me come back with front on.
You need to even see the drink he came with. God, snap, I don't even know
what one local drink.
Local drink inside one local polythene bag.
So, and then came.
A man that you will see and do to fear.
Hi, Mama. For my beautiful sister. Snap. Mama, can you imagine? Who does that? Where does he know that? Who told him that you can come and marry Achalugo without a motor? Without car? The only beautiful sister I have, the only hope of the family, the only woman that will make me to become somebody in life. All my hope is in Ujunwa. And one tattered man out that. He came here to marry Ujunwa. The only hope of the family, the only good thing my late father has ever produced.
Produced, get it?
Mama, Papa produced Ujunwa.
Biko. Ujunwa was designed, produced, and packaged from heaven to this family to alleviate us from poverty. Go to go to one. What get okay? Now we go to 40 feet container. What do you eat? Oh dear.
My only hope of marrying my own wife. And you told me that one nonsense man came here to marry her without a car. He's going to pay. Don't you know that he's going to, when he pay Ujunwa's bride price, he will pay for my own wife's bride price.
I'm so sorry. This doesn't look good at all. Nna, please. You people should just calm down. Hi.
It's okay, we are fine. I'll be fine. Just
this is my late father's shirt. Try it on and see if it will suit you. Can go inside.
You don't have to do this. I will be fine. By the time I taste some drinks now, this thing should be over.
My sons, please. I want you to forgive Emilia and her daughter for what they did to you. They are not always like this.
Yes,
they are not always like
Mama,
this.
we are not going to forgive them. We might be poor today, but they are not God. That girl might be beautiful, but she's not a God. Look at what she did to us. They're talking about beauty. She's not even as beautiful as your daughter here.
Let me go and boil hot water so people can take your bath.
No. You don't have to. We are fine. We are fine. Thank you for everything.
Okay. In that case, let me go and check what I have on fire. At least you need to eat something now before leaving this place.
Food. No, Mama, you don't have to. Please, don't worry yourself. We are fine. We are fine.
You don't know my mother. She does not take no for an answer. You see the food. People have to eat it though. They are not like that. They are good people.
Maybe they were just angry.
Maybe somebody offended them.
We are okay. Mama, don't need to bother yourself. Take this food.
Look, let me make up for what Emilia did to you. See, I don't want you to leave this village with a wrong impression about us. Our people, we are very nice, very okay. Like I told you, maybe somebody offended them.
Yes. People came at the wrong time, that's why.
Now, let me go and get the food, Biko. Let me get something. Just relax,
you don't worry.
Mama, don't need to stress yourself.
You boys are incompetent. So once I'm not on ground, you can't handle Jack. Okay? You're very stupid. Shut up, my friend. Get out of my phone. Let me make the call. My boys at the office, they are so annoying. Once I'm not on ground, they can't handle Jack. Go and sit down. I want to make business call. Now see baby. Makani forget go. Stay there. It's a business call.
Women. What do they really want?
My brother, what do women want? You see that question? That question has been left unanswered since time immemorial. Even the women themselves don't know what they want. You know, sometimes, I guess, our creator, get confused about what do this species called women want. Women, they are people we can't live with, and yet we can't still live without them.
See, had it been we didn't meet Ogechi and the mother, I would just conclude that all the good women has been taken.
My brother, but I believe that with what we saw now, you are going for Ogechi instead of the other girl.
Well, anyway, I'm still thinking about it.
Eh?
Just that.
You are still thinking? Thinking about what? Don't tell me you are kidding me. You see that girl Ogechi? That girl's character. That girl, she's the last of her kind. What are you telling me?
I agree with you. I'll not that trade her well.
See, with what we saw between both families yesterday, you will know that an apple fruit cannot fall from a coconut tree. So if I were you, I won't waste another day. I will just go for that girl.
Yeah, but what if...
What? What if what? Shoot your shot. Man, you have all it takes. Let's go. Go and marry this girl. I'm telling you, if I have such a girl in my life, I will not waste another day.
Mama, I say if we should come. Mama, I've been thinking that my head is cutting into two. My spinal cord is having meningitis.
Spinal cord? What?
Yes. Mama, how can three of us now be in this house? We will eat, drink and sleep without discussing about our investment and how to move about it.
Investment?
Mama, why is he pointing at me? I hope I'm not the one he's referring to as investment. Is my name investment?
Ujunwa, you are our investment and you know it. Ujunwa, our hope lies in you. This family is in your hands. Eh? If we are going to eat 2 meat tomorrow, it's in your hands, Ujunwa. If I'm going to become somebody in future, it's in your hands. Ujunwa, you are delaying us. You are wasting my destiny. You are tying my destiny down. Go out there and get a man that has money that will change my life. Eh? How long will I go to suffer? Or you want me to die? Go and get a man that will change my life. I will turn to snake in this house. Go and get a man that will change our life.
Oh, yeah. I see.
What do you want my daughter to do, Baka? Kei Chorkome, drag a man to this house? Oh. I mean, look at her. My daughter has all it takes for her to get her dream man.
Mama, if she has anything it takes to get a man of her dreams, if she's sleeping, let her wake up. Let her stop dreaming. Go out there and get the man. She has those things. Let her use those things to go and get the man. When you say, let me go and hustle. Hustle for a man and bring the man. What is all this? Let her go. Mama, this is her flower period. Though. This is her flower period. Ujunwa is in her prime now. You know how it happens. You know that, you know how it happens in the morning. If you bring it to the market, if you did not sell it on time, by the evening, it will be bending neck. Ujunwa is her prime. Let Ujunwa go and get a man now that they can still buy her expensive, so that I can work it on her.
Obaka, relax. Relax your nerves. Calm down. Listen, I'm a beautiful girl. I am highly intelligent. A full option babe.
Hey!
I am a spec.
Bam!
Check here now, 12 suitors in 4 months. Which girl in this village has broken the record?
Nobody.
Tell me. Calm down. Relax. I know what I'm doing. Okay? Very soon, our dream husband will come. Our dream man will come. I know what I'm doing. Yes.
Ujungwa, I know they will respect. Ujungwa, Ekwaram. Eh? Our father and mother did not give birth to you for you to be breaking record. I'm not going to be break your record. I'm going to keep mad. They give birth to you so that you become somebody, not to be breaking record. Ujungwa, go out there. They say that if Muhammad refused to go to mountain, mountain will go to Muhammad and Manapati. Go to men and collect something from them. Come and change my life. You are holding my destiny. You are tying me down.
You want me to be cheap? I'm not a cheap
Uju,
girl.
we don't have to be cheap.
I'm
Go
not a
out.
cheap girl.
But don't dress well. You have go out there and get men and drag men. Uju, mama won't go. Mama will go to this house. I will die for you people.
But you're going to bring the rich man for me now.
I don't know any rich man.
Go outside and
I don't know any rich man.
Okay, where do you want her to get the rich man?
Mama, there are rich men outside.
So, how are you now? I hope you're getting better. Okay. I'll tell her. She's here, sir. Yes, she wants to make something. I'll tell her. Okay. Alright, thank you for asking. And thanks for calling. Okay.
Mama, okay. Who was that?
Abuchi. He asked of you and he said he's coming over the weekend to see you.
Chai. Honestly, I pity that boy. Yeah? He doesn't even have to bother coming. I really pity him.
Mama, is it a crime to be poor? Because the way people are treating poor people, they are treating them like they're outcasts. They are not supposed to be existing. Look at the way Uju and the mother is treating Abuchi. Does it make sense? Mama, in school, I treat everybody equal. I show love and compassion to anybody experiencing down. Mama, look at us now. I'm not coming from a rich background. So why will I hang my coat where my hand is not rich?
Honestly, I am happy you feel this way. You see, compassion is one thing that humanity lacks these days. But for Ujunwa, I pity her. I pity how she is letting Emilia mislead her. I just feel for that girl.
Mommy, I do not pity her. If they tell you to put her on the side fire, you go and put her on the side fire. Mama, do you know how many times I talk to Uju in a day? She does not want to listen. She's only dancing to the tune their mother is beating for her. So me, I don't pity her. Because me, I'm tired of talking.
Do you know Emilia very well? Emilia is a strong-willed woman. You see, this your advice is too late for Ujunwa. Emilia is greedy. Emilia wants the whole world to herself. So you see, that your advice might not work. My own is, I pray that thing she's looking for, that I wish will come to pass. Finish.
Amen for them.
Just imagine that poor boy, the way they just rubbished him. I pray.
Hey, Mama, what are we making one?
So you've not made anything?
Yeah, what's your problem? Once I'm not on ground, when I need Zuzu. Do the needful. You're always full of excuses. Get something done on our query. Don't get me angry, my friend. Do what you're supposed to do.
My love, is everything okay?
Yeah, fine. What's going on there? You're very, very stupid. Was that what I asked you to do? Do as I instructed, they have Wala. Sorry for your miserable sorry, Nkegi. Ewu. Tolo. What is baby's name now? Will you be babying me?
I'm just concerned about your baby. I don't want anything to happen to you. No,
This is a polite insult. Shut up. You make more sense when you're not talking. I said shit. You've been now. Hello?
Baby, I'm not like other girls. I'm not here because of the money. Truth, I'm not here because
of... Let me call you back. You're disturbing me. Get out of this place. Yeah? Pick your things and leave. Pack your things and leave. You're distracting me. Pack your things and get out. Your time is up. You're distracting my business.
It's not going to that.
I said pack and leave now.
I'm just concerned about you.
When last they beat you? I'll also add the opposite. I'm done with this rubbish. There's time for everything. I will stop you. Pack your things and leave. You're distracting me. Allah, you know you don't there. Allah, you know you. Let them condemn me.
Hey, it's like love has started already.
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. And you? Yes, I was sweeping the compound. Sorry, did you say workshop? Forgive me, I did not even ask what you do for a living. Mechanic? A mechanic is a good work now. Yes, now you're doing well for yourself. Okay. Okay, when you get to your workshop, you call me now. I'm sweeping. Let me finish. Wait, I hope you ate before going out. Okay, have a nice day. Alright, bye-bye, sir.
Okay, Chi. Did I hear you say mechanic?
Yes, you said he's a mechanic.
Ha! There's nothing wrong about being a mechanic. Yes, now. What matters in life is that God blesses you with a man that will love you. A man that wants to be a husband to you. Not just all these men looking for a wife to be like a furniture in their house. No. A God-fearing man. A hard-working man. And a kind-hearted man. If you have that one, it's over. Look. Don't say because he's a mechanic and you are a graduate that you will not accept him.
Mama, no, now. You know your daughter now. Graduate, is it not me that I've been struggling to get work? Have I got someone?
Oh.
Well, let's wait till he says it yet.
He will say it.
I will say
he
yes.
He will say it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
God will do it for us. You see what Ujunwa rejected? You will not reject. I pray that one day she will get whatever it is that she's looking for.
Amen. I pray when she gets it, she will help me because I'm her sister too.
Okay. No. God will bless you. You don't have to wait for God will bless you. Our only prayer now is that one day, God will make Abuchi very rich when he marries you.
Amen. I'm a prayer warrior. Mama, jump for me. Let me finish.
I should keep it. All right. Be fast. All right.
Ujunwa, tedebeze pancake. No pancake, Ujunwa, no pancake. No pancake. What is wrong? It's obvious that you don't have a plan for this family. It's obvious you don't have plans. You don't have plan of action to better this family, to help our lives. Ujunwa, go out there. You cannot sit in this house. You do pancake, you sleep and eat. Ujunwa, they cannot get rich man at home. Go out there and get a man that will change my life. Ujunwa, enough of pancake. Ujunwa, enough of pancake. Have a line of action. Ujunwa, I'm your only brother.
Baka, I don't owe you anything.
I'm going down.
I don't owe you anything, Baka, leave me alone. I don't owe you anything. Ha.
You don't owe me anything?
Yes, I don't.
You're a very big lie. I see your chat. Ujunwa, wow. You owe me a lot. Ujunwa, you owe me a lot. You owe me so much. You owe me even your life. You owe me. I have dropped out of school because of you. I dropped out of school. I stopped going to school. Had it been I was going to school, by now I would have become a minister.
You dropped out of school?
I dropped out so that you go to school. And you're telling me you don't owe me anything.
You dropped
I can't find trees to make you graduate.
Hey, Ubaka, why are you so full of lies? You dropped out of school because you are an itibori boy. You don't know anything. The teacher advised Mama to stop paying your school fees because she was wasting her money, her hard-earned money.
It is a lie. Is that school the only school in this world? I could have changed school now and I become a better man. After all, it's a lie. Eh? Is it not now that I went night school? Am I not doing well? Am I not doing well?
Which night? What are you saying?
Let me tell you. See your mama, nobody will have peace in this house. You people will not have peace in this house until you do the needful. Until you go there and bring a good man. Would you leave the village? Ada na village and what Diego. Ada na village and what Diego go. You see, let me tell you. If mama happened to be a young girl, I would have married her out. I would have remarried her to another man so that I can collect money. What is all this? You people, I'm tired of you people. Are you not tired of me?
Ubaka, please now. It's too early for this now. Please.
That is why I will continue to give you a mama bomba to bomba. I will not let you people rest until you do the needful. Ujunwa, you must marry. You must get a rich man. Ujunwa marry. Ujunwa live pancake. Ujunwa marry. Ujunwa live pancake. Ujunwa marry. Bring a rich man. Bring a rich man. We not go grill. We not go grill. Bring a rich man. We not go grill. We not go grill.
But now who laugh last year? Laugh better. But I look
the most beautiful woman in town. Eh? I will not stop. Yes, the most finest babe in this family, in this town, in this community, in fact, in this state. Eh?
Stop it.
I will not stop it. I am following you to the market to make sure that no animals will come near. No poor man will come close to you.
I don't need to follow me. No poor man will come close to me. You know I'm allergic to poverty.
I said no. Behold the beauty who takes away the poverty of her family. Happy is me who is her brother. Let's go.
But I'm just tired of you.
Move it. Yes. No man, no poor man should near you.
What is going on here?
I am protecting my property, my investment. Well, I want to market my investment. I don't want son to tarnish her skin. You got to go so that people may go. You know, she's my investment.
I don't understand. Is that why you're covering her with umbrella?
Is it not enough reason?
Are you for sale? Because I don't understand now. Why are you saying you're covering her with umbrella investment?
But she's my investment. I'm sorry that you are not this beautiful. And you don't have a brother that will do this thing for you. So, when you life will turn
What's the meaning of that?
Okay, Chibiko Balo, forgive him. You know he talks anyhow sometimes. Eh? Please forgive him. Oh, I'm just going to the market to buy something.
And he's covering with umbrella. It's funny now. A matured man like this that is supposed to be doing something, maybe by this time you should be at your workplace. You're following your sister with umbrella.
Ogechi.
Yeah, quite joke.
Ogechi, I don't understand. Is it bad? Like if my brother decides to protect me, is it bad?
From a place of hatred, though.
Am I sensing jealousy?
Jealous?
Yes.
I cannot be jealous of you. I've never been jealous of you other days. It's not that I'll be jealous of you. Why? What for?
I don't know, because I don't understand the way you're sounding. Do you have to insult him?
No problem. I came to tell you that I'm going to the place that I'm going to submit that document for the loan for my POS I told you now.
Oh, that.
Yes.
It's okay. I wish you good luck. POS business is not for a chick like me, so all the best.
Well, Mubaka, also get some boots to cover her leg because sun is touching her.
It will not touch her. You can go. You can go, Ogechi. Okay.
I don't even understand this attitude this girl is giving me.
Don't mind her. I'm covering you. Let her enjoy suffering. Everyone I like her.
If I not his name is Dangote. International man, importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side.
I'm fine. If we're only done. Forget it. When I was about to meet her.
No. Few toys I'm using to these guys. Mama, what channel?
Zapuya! 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 Okay, one now. What's going on now? There are broken chuku onko.
Your son is made. Made up of our own billionaire. I brought dangling one. The son billionaire for life.
Chuku, I knew it. That right from time, you are a great child. A very great child. Chuku, I go see him. Chuku, dalu, Chuku. Hey, Odekafu. Hey, dalu God. Hey,
man, enough good is good.
Yes.
What you want?
No, mommy,
come now. Mommy, come. You can't be stressing yourself.
For the
Get a chair for me. Don't stress myself. Else we'll lose.
If I not joy, his name is Dangote. International man, importer and despoter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side. Fafusia when they see her, then they reason. As they see Dangote, when they see her, then they reason. Their container don't like see her.
Now my brother Ubaka is a very good for nothing human being.
Uju, you know we've been friends since childhood, right? And I have never advised you wrongly before.
So what are you saying? I don't understand.
What I'm trying to say is that the way you treated Abuchi, the way you treated him the other day was so terrible. You should just go and apologize to him.
As who? Apologize to who now? Who is Abuchi?
He's a human being.
No, tell me, who is he? Which human being? That good for nothing, dejected, God-forsaken human being?
That's God's creation that you're cursing like that.
See, he's so lucky. He was so lucky that Ubaka did not meet him at home. Else, you would have found him in the morgue. He's so lucky, very, very lucky.
You know, things are not the way we say it. Who is poor today can be rich tomorrow. You know, right? This war of revolt.
Talk of the devil.
Ujuma, I'll get you.
How are you doing now?
Good.
What is that? As his advocate or what? See, I don't like this thing you're doing. Ogechi, I do not like this thing you're doing. If you want to continue being my friend, stay away from poverty. Stay miles away from poverty. What is that one? You know you're not his advocate now.
Somebody greeted you. You're supposed to greet back.
Greet
now.
what? Why are you greeting him when you know I don't like him? Why? Are you for me or against me?
But I cannot be enemies with him because you are not his friend. Sorry, don't mind my sister. The brother provoked. That's
no problem.
Why.
I'm heading towards your side.
Okay.
Now this is good. It's been long.
I kept this for you. Any day you come, I'll give it to you. Menye oka bukwa bibu. Icho ina anakete jem bute. Tinye gi na moto nwa. Achaba. Oka fokwa mu me. Je wetekwu.
No, I'm fine.
Hey, my son, I want to ask you because I am surprised. How did you get this wealth all of a sudden?
Mama, people are quick to ask, how did you make your money? But when I was poor, no one cared to ask, why am I poor? Or why was I poor? That's the problem. So as my mother, I will respect you, Mama. Don't worry. There are things I will tell you that you need to know as my mother. But not now, okay? Let me enjoy my mango first.
And please, what bothers me most is, when are you getting married? Get married. Even if you use me, your mother, to do many ritual, no problem. I will willingly give up myself for you to get more and more and more money. Because in this village, one has to be there. We have to have this money.
Mama,
it has insulted us.
I can never use anybody, even a total stranger, for money ritual. Talk more of my mother. That one is out of it. As for getting married, from here, I'm going to see the woman I want to marry. So you will meet her very soon.
Where do you want to marry from? Where is she from?
Even the embassy know they ask questions like this. Calm down, mama. Let me leave this man go. I will tell you.
His name is Rinky Bello.
Bring out those drugs.
He manipulate you.
Mama, can you imagine? Can you imagine Ogeti and Abuchi? Hey, God.
Two hopeless people.
There is nothing Ujuma will not see.
Have they seen each other?
Mama, like, I don't even know what is giving Ogeti the mind, the nerve to think that she can convince me to marry Abuchi.
Kini?
I don't understand. As my personal advisor or what? Like, what do they take me for?
Hey, Ujuma, I've told you to stop playing local league with Ogechi. Both of you are not on the same level. Manja! At all.
Hey, Mama, like I have suffered. I have suffered though.
Now he's thinking he can advise you to take Abuchi, that poverty-stricken man.
You can imagine.
Hungry man.
Mama, just imagine. Like, go to now. Me, a home me, and Abuchi. Like he's not even gelling at all.
I will have to go and warn Jacinta.
Mama, Chere, Mama, no. Mama, wait. See, I have already given Ogechi federal warning. She cannot just relax. I don't want you to go. Okay. I know you.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me get some.
Mama, I know you. Mama, just come back.
Jacinta. Okay. Right.
You like the food, right? It's not me that made it, though. It's my mom. But don't worry, next time when you come, I'll make bitter leaf soup for you. I can cook more than my mother.
Okay.
If you eat my food there, if my mother serve you again, you tell her you don't want to eat.
I can't wait.
Abuchi, I want to tell you something. My cousin sister is a nice person. Uju is a nice person. If I talk to her, she will agree for you. Just give me go ahead. I should talk to her. If I talk to her, she will say yes.
Your cousin sister doesn't want me. So, me? I don't want her again.
She's influenced by her mother. You know her mother like one things. It's just that she's listening to what her mother is telling her. But if I talk to her, she will agree. Just allow me to talk to her.
She's badly influenced by her mom.
Abuchi, you see, Ogechi is right. Emilia has influenced Ujunwa to a point that if care is not taken, she would destroy that girl's life.
Jacinta! Yeah, Jacinta! Warn your daughter! Want her to stay away from my family! Want her to stay away from anything that has to do with me, my daughter, and my family! Else what? Else what, Emilia? Else, Jacinta!
Ogini, is anything wrong with you? Eh? Are you mad? How dare you walk into my compound to threaten my daughter? If I'm making this, are you alright?
Eh? Jacinta!
Mama.
Jacinta!
Mama, I'm here. Talk to me.
You are here. Let me warn you, Ogechi. I will warn you. You do not have the right to suggest, point out, describe, or even talk about anything that has to do with my daughter and her choices.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not talk about it. Stay away from her. I will not warn you again because there will be consequences. I won't warn you again.
Emilia, you are lucky. Leave me alone. You are lucky. Thank your stars that I have a visitor. And I respect my guest. If not, I would have thrown you out of my compound.
Eh? Compound? Is this a compound? This dungeon with leaking roof? Is this a visitor? See, let me tell you. I have come here to warn your daughter. Let her stay away from my daughter.
Emilia, everything about life is not about material things. Mba, this is my compound. Yes, I have an old house. I have a leaking roof like you said. But there's something we have that you do not have and you can never understand. And that is love. We have plenty of love. We have plenty of love to give out. That is something you don't have. What do you have? Bitterness and greed.
Oh, Jacinta.
Never leave my house.
You have love. You have love. Even love. You have love and
hunger is killing you and your daughter. You have love. Eat love. Eat love. You.
Mama.
I will not warn you again.
Yes,
yeah? I will not warn you again. Stay away from my daughter.
I will stay away from her.
Look at the hungry, poor-looking man that an only daughter brought for her poor mother. Poor mother, poor daughter, poor son-in-law. Ubiam! Ubiam. You have covered us with poverty. Poor! I will not warn you again.
You will never warn her again. And if you try it, I'm here to defend my daughter.
My daughter, I will not warn you again.
Get out of my compound.
Yes, ma'am.
If not, there will be consequences.
There will not be anything.
Papa, go.
Mad dog.
Mama, it's okay now. You know she's a mad woman. You shouldn't have done that with her now. Sit down first. I don't like this thing you did though.
I'm not fear.
So just allow her to rake. After raking, she will go.
Look, Emilia is a mad dog. I had to give it back to her. Eh? I hope we did not ruin your appetite.
Oh yeah? Thousands of Emilia will never make me lose this appetite. That is how delicious this meal is.
Aye.
Don't worry. I'm enjoying the meal.
Ah, that's a very good joke. At least I'm laughing. Huh?
You have to that.
Sorry.
This one you are like back market. How far? Any luck yet?
I don't understand. Any luck? How? What are you talking about?
Ujuma, why are you a stranger in Jerusalem? Which one is what am I talking about? Ujuma, is there any husband in view? Like, is there any husband that is coming? Like, we are expecting? Because I don't understand. Wait, does it mean that what we are passing through is not affecting you? What are you looking at? Eh? Ujuma, does it mean that the way we are living, you are happy about it? Living from hand to mouth, you are happy about it. You are not doing anything. You are not trying to make sure that we bring a potential husband in this house that will take care of me, that will settle me, that will release my destiny. Is that what you are trying to say?
Baka, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. See, stop harassing me. Stop harassing me in this house, else I will report you to the police. I will carry police and arrest you. And you are harassing me in my own father's house. What is your problem? Leave me alone now. Leave me alone.
I know that I'm a Tiboribo. I know. But you that went at what is the essence of your beauty? Ujuma, what is the essence of your beauty when you cannot, the only daughter we have in this family that's supposed to wipe away our shame? That's supposed to wipe away our... Ujuma, I know how many palm trees I climbed to make sure that I bought good cream for you. So that you can rub good cream and be beautiful like this. If not, I would have given you a chankota now. A chankota so that I will know that your beauty is useless.
Hey.
How can you be in this family and I'll be suffering? Your only elder brother will be suffering. After suffering for you. Ujuma, go and get a man.
Elder brother, my food.
Go and get a man.
Go and hustle. Go and... Did they swear for you that you cannot make money? Did anybody swear for you that Obama cannot make money in this life? Go and meet your destiny helper. Go and find the way and stop disturbing me. What's your problem? Go and make money. I know a man.
Ujuma, I know what I'm saying.
Be a man and go and make money.
I know what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
You could be a police.
I will arrest you. I will arrest you.
You arrest me?
Yes, because if not, I would have even called kidnappers for you, but there is no gain. If I call kidnappers for you, there will not be any money for me. So now police and guard, you will go and
get a potential husband. Even if I have some man, Yoruba, even from Confrontation, I will take it. As long as that man has money, even if he's blind, even if he's a crippled man, as long as he has money to give me and settle me, and release my destiny. Go and bring the prosperity of this family. You are the one holding it.
Who is holding who?
You are the one holding
prosperity.
prosperity.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't go and look for your destiny helper. A whole man. You can't take care of your mother and your sister. Be here looking for husband. Husband is coming. Chere, sit and wait.
Ujuma.
Don't go and hustle.
Ujuma, go and get a good husband though.
Go and make money.
Go and get a good husband.
Go and make money.
Go and get a husband.
Go and make money, Ubaka. Go and make money.
Ujuma,
be a man.
I will do my own way.
Which your own way?
I will do it my way.
You will stay for sale.
I will get the husband by my own way. I couldn't fear now. Ujuma, what is the essence of your beauty now? How can you be beautiful like this now and be waiting in this house when your only brother is suffering? How Bring the breast and Nyash, I will carry you. Give me a wig. I will go out there and hustle and get a good husband.
Go and hustle and make money. Hustle and make money, Ubaka. They did not swear for you. A whole man of the house, a flip.
Ujungwa, you are tying my destiny down. You are tying my destiny down. Go and get a husband that will settle me. You people are holding my destiny. Okulu Jimmy Bauru. Okulu Jimmy Bauru. People will say that I will not be, and nobody is doing anything about it. Eh? Nigerians are quiet. My only other sister, my only younger sister that is beautiful is wasted. And Nigerians are quiet.
My friend, are you mad? I'm calling you and you're not picking your call. Do you want to lose your job? I don't care what you were doing. I bought that phone. Once I call you, pick. If I call you 3 times and you don't pick, that means you're fired. Anyhow, we are. Get me more SPUs to the village because I have 1 week more to spend here. Bushman, SPU, Special Protective Unit. Those my poor where they house. Bring 2 more. Then bring like 2 other cars. But on a second thought, I want to stay on the low. You know how these cars and escorts draw attention. Yeah, let me be on the low. I'm just considering before evening, before the day runs out, I will decide. If my mind is made, then you come with 2 more officers and 2 more cars. But if I still decide to maintain low key, you will not bother. So give me till evening to decide. Good.
I am happy we are not getting married to a city girl.
Mama, city girl is better than village girl because these village girls these days they do more. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So let me get married to a city girl.
How well do you know this girl? Tell me.
I knew her when she was still in the university. Now she's a graduate. So.
Hey, she's a graduate. She went to school. You are a graduate too, so it's good. I'm happy you're marrying a graduate like yourself.
Mama, graduate or no graduate, it doesn't matter, okay? So that she's a graduate doesn't matter. Yes.
So, are you not going to tell your uncle?
No, from here I'm going to see my uncle.
Okay, it's good. It's good.
Have you seen the 1 million naira I sent?
The owner of this guy is looking for a wife. Eh? Who knows whether he's looking for a wife? How can people park car and leave? If I see the man who owns this car now, I will ask him if he is looking for a wife. Eh? My sister cannot be wasted. Lagos plate number for that man.
Ubaka! Kebineje, where are you going to?
Mama.
Hey! Ubaka, why don't you go back to where you are learning handwork instead of running the village like a lunatic? Eh? Ubaka, what kind of a boy are you, for God's sake?
Mama, point of correction, Mama, I'm not a boy. Ubaka is no longer a boy. Ubaka is now a man. What is this? It's obvious that you and Uju has plans to frustrate me in this life, but your plans will not work. Your plans will not work, because I have strategy. Strategy. Go on your television now and get ready to hear my scores. Because what I'm going to do now, if any ear that hears it, any ear that hears what I'm going to do now, what is all this?
You will not do anything stupid. You will not try it. What are you going to do?
Mama, see, let me tell you. You see this period now. I am ready, able and capable to carry the bull by the horn. I will hold the bull by the horn, scatter the head if the bull does not take time. Because what is all this? Would you want to get married and help my life, arrange my life for me? Would you want to refuse to get married? What is the essence of her being beautiful? Tell her, let her carry the breast and Nyash and give me. Let me go. You see me now, carry 10 men and come. See motor that is parking here. Ujunwa is nowhere to be found. So that this man will see her.
You do what the honey. Ubaka! Hey! Shimo! Hey! What is this? No good son-in-law. God, when will you bless me? This is how I'm always sad. God,
Mama Ogechi, I am not here because of Uju for you to convince her to marry me. I'm also not here to come and thank you because of what happened the other day. But I'm here because I find in Ogechi the type of girl I want to spend the rest of my life with. Yes.
What? Ogechi, I am shocked.
Ogechi, please. If you accept me to be your husband, Ogechi, I will be the happiest person on earth. Please, I love this family. And I would love to be part of this family if you'll accept me.
Okay. Oh my God.
This is good, eh? Carry this thing. You see this poster? Look for strategic places in this village, eh? All the places you know that people will see it very clearly. Go and paste it there, eh? Yes. Paste it in every corner, nooks and crannies of this village. Make sure that people will see it well. Oh. Everybody configure a figure. Make it on a wall like this. People should not spray this place like down there. Don't keep here so that this thing will not cover it. Go down. Just make sure that you spray it well. I want my sister to get good husband. But I know that you should get good husband now. Oh, you favor cool, no. Yes. At least I will give you people something. Like all this my clothes now that I'm wearing. I will now dash it out to you people. Okay. So by the time you are done, I will now give you people money. Okay. Jeben. Because do it well, oh. Do it well. Let me know why my sister will not get married. Why? How can she not get married? I know how many palm trees that I climbed to make sure that she went to university. Now she's here doing anyhow. If she don't work hard to get married, I will work hard for her to get a husband for her. See that car. See that man, see that car. Show the man with that big car. When you have a potential husband, don't lose that customer. Throw it inside the car for him if he don't want to take it. Even if he's there with his wife, put the flyers there. Share it as flyers because I want my sister to get married today or tomorrow. What am I doing? How can my life be like this? My sister will not get married. Why would she be beautiful in bed? Huh?
Hey, it looks expensive. Look at that thing on top. Like shine like a diamond. My daughter, I'm so happy for you. Like play. I mean, look at where we are now. Hey!
Me, I'm happy for myself. But tomorrow, I don't want somebody that will come and say, you took my man. I don't have strength for Ujunwa.
Wait. Which man? Which Ujunwa? Which man? The one she rejected. Eh? Look, I know Ujunwa and her mother. They will not say it though. Instead, once they hear of this, they will start laughing at you. But I don't care. I don't. You see, mechanic in this our economy, there is nothing bad in it. All we have to do is to pray for Abuchi. Give him time. From what I'm seeing, that guy is a very good man. Listen, my daughter. Don't let anybody deceive you. Leave them, let them laugh. Don't let anybody talk you out of this. Because I know Ujunwa and her mother, they will laugh at you, but we don't care.
Mama, don't you know your daughter again? Do I look like somebody can deceive? It's me that will deceive them. They cannot deceive me. My own is, I can't wait for my husband to come and pay my dowry. I will follow him. I'll go to the city. I'll open POS branches, like 3-4 branches.
Hey.
That thing is oil money, POS business. New oil money. Me and my husband will make it. We'll have branches of mechanic workshop. Don't worry, Mama. I will spoil you.
Say, my husband, the thing is even making my heart like... Honestly, I'm happy for you. Hey, at least the one that is making me happier is when they now start calling women that their children are married. Me too. I will gladly come out.
New married woman.
In fact, I am just praying that God will bless you and Abuchi. One day, you see this Abuchi you are saying? One day, forget the mechanic work, God can remember him and bless you both immensely.
Amen. We'll make money.
Amen.
Make plenty money. We'll have branches of mechanic.
Amen.
Mama, don't worry. I will spoil you. If I'm going in this village now, we do my hand like this.
Hey, why you?
If you greet me, I say,
Abuchi, this thing you said is a very good news. So when is how soon is marriage coming up?
Very soon, very soon. You know, delay they say is dangerous. So very soon.
See, such girl is not the kind of girl you will see and you just take much time. You don't need to waste time.
No, at all. You see, do you know that Ogechi says graduate of microbiology?
Are you serious?
Yes, now. With all that humility. In fact, I never seen that kind of girl before.
You see, when I look at that girl behavior, and when I look at her mother, that girl have gotten some good qualities from her mother too.
Obviously. And that's the kind of family that will give man peace of mind.
Look, this thing you are saying is true. You know that many men have died of depression because of the kind of family
I know now.
they get married from or they get married to.
All the one the mother-in-law will be whipper fashion against your marriage. People are dying every day.
Every day.
Yes,
that's why when I look at girls like Ogechi, I'll just be wondering. Say, God, see me. How am I going to get a girl that is as good as Ogechi? Get her wife material.
Ogechi finish with me. Ogechi will find one for you.
Yeah, something like that too. Because everybody a guy, everybody go, everybody. And I don't see myself getting myself involved in all this kind of things like that.
Not everybody.
Honestly.
Mama,
Forgive me, what is it?
there is gist oh.
Forgive me, what is
Mama, gist plenty. You were right about Ogechi and her mother. Those people are hopelessly shameless.
Ma'am, I know.
Hey.
But what did they do this time around?
What did they not do, Mama? Do you know that Ogechi is getting married to that wretched, shameless human being that we chased out of this compound? Hey! I'm telling you.
Hey! Jacinta, Nima, are you sure?
Mama, I am very sure. Ogechi told me by herself. As a matter of fact, she showed me the cheap ring he bought for her.
What?
Mama, I almost spat on her face because I was so disappointed. Hey. I can't even imagine it. I didn't even tell you. That boy is a mechanical.
What?
A mechanic man.
Chineke meo. Oh, Jacinta. Jacinta and poverty as covenant.
I'm telling you.
Hey.
Poverty has eaten deep inside of them.
You know, leave them. As for my household, me and my household is either a rich man or nothing.
Bam. Mama, onyekwe chiekwe. Yeah. I cannot go to school, take care of myself, study hard.
Looking like this.
Only for me to come out and marry a poverty-stricken man.
Chukwaju.
It's not even in my lineage.
Your DNA.
It's not in my DNA. Even by example, self, I reject it.
Look at your mother now.
This guy has to stay here overnight. Tomorrow you carry it.
Oga, I thought it's just a minor something that you can just fix now.
No. I want to cool down and do the job so that you'll be fine. By tomorrow, you will take it. It will be ready.
Oga, see, I have important place to go like this and I can't miss it. Please.
Okay, can I give you another person's car to go for your appointment? Would that be okay?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful. God bless you. God bless you.
You have to be careful with it.
Yes, I will.
Yes, because...
The sprocket of this car no deal. You know this is no match.
You don't know? No match. But the best sprocket go there inside store.
Yeah.
Go match am. Maybe later I go find the one wey match am inside store. Okay. Check inside store. You go find am. You go match am. Okay, let me get the key for you. So that you know
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
What is this? Did somebody die? Hey, what is this? And where did you get this?
It's Chidi and his friends. They are going around the village, posting it everywhere.
What?
Mama, this is me, oh.
Hey!
Mama, this is me now. This is my picture. He said that Ubaka paid them to do this.
Ubaka?
Yes. Mama, show you're seeing Ubaka. A very rich husband wanted in late Ichie Samuel Ozombako. Mama, can you imagine? Mama, can you imagine your son? What kind of embarrassment is this? I don't like this, Mama. What is this? Just imagine.
Don't worry. I'm going to handle Ubaka myself. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at me back. It doesn't go into this now, eh?
Hey, my man, see how happy I am for you. And at the same time, I fear for myself. Oh. Hey! Nah. When?
See, I always tell you that I will get a good wife. Yes, nah. You see, you follow my footsteps as your father in this city.
Oh, I don't suffer. Oh. Yes. Because Puchi don't see lover now. Get better character. You don't turn my father. I'm not your son. Hey, wait. God when? Today come when you
wait, let me call my baby. I will go back there this week.
Yes. God when?
Let that by phone.
My man is in love. I want to call your babe.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Baka, go back to that place and remove all the posters that you pasted there.
Mama, it took me fortune to produce those posters, to print it and paste. I know how much I paid those boys. I know how much I printed the poster. See, Mama, I'm trying to do what you and Ujuma could not do.
Which is?
Trying to get Uju a suitable in-law. A suitable husband and get you a suitable son-in-law.
Something is wrong with your head. Something is really wrong with your head. Go and take those rubbish away. What's your problem?
Mommy, when you marry a rich man now, you be upstairs. You be in upstairs giving command. Will you give me money?
Ubaka, did I ask for your help? Did she ask for your help?
What kind of embarrassment?
Ujuma is a very beautiful girl. Her God-given billionaire husband will come looking for her in this house.
Amen.
Mama, is what I'm doing now is creating awareness. You people will thank me later. I'm creating awareness because you cannot have good product in your house without marketing it.
This is awareness of embarrassment now.
It's not awareness of embarrassment.
Me.
It's awareness of good things. When she will go, big husband will come now. You're
making us look desperate.
But I get the money alone.
Mama, people should allow me. Let me get rest.
Rest in this house.
I'm tired. I've been walking up and down. I've been pasting posters, going around, covering the community. I'm tired.
Ubaka, you go and take that poster away. If that, I will print your obituary papers. I will print your obituary papers.
What am I living for? What am I living for? If I cannot have good in-law, that will help my life, make me succeed in life. Anyway. I've been working since today. Can you
imagine?
It's not a small thing.
What kind of embarrassment? You know, you're going to take up that poster.
You will sleep in this house without removing that poster.
You take that poster out.
We're going to get back. All right.
Ubaka, get up, oh.
What is all this?
Why remove those posters?
What is
Kill the Yenka. Eh?
You don't want to work hard. Mama, you want good in law, but you don't want to work hard.
What kind of work hard?
You're embarrassing the family for goodness sake.
Yeah, but embarrassment. What investment?
Hey.
So, I have discussed with my uncle and we agreed to come and perform the marital rites in 3 weeks' time. That is if it's okay with you.
3 weeks?
Yes.
Why the rush?
It's just...
It's okay. I will talk to her father's people. I think we'll work with that 3 weeks, since we have all agreed on a small marriage. Ogechi, what do you think?
Mama, whatever you agreed on, I'm fine with it.
It's fine. So we'll work with 3 weeks. Yes. Dalu.
Thank you.
Dalu, sorry. Sorry about the kata. Sorry.
It's kata.
Baby, this is mansion.
Like it?
I love it.
I have 36 pieces of it in this country.
36.
As you have 36 states, I decided to own 36 states.
Hey, double silencer. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Oluchi, thanks. Oluchi, pause.
Okay.
This is my beautiful wife, my chalugo, my tomato juice. Mama Sarah dinner wine. And baby, that's Oluchi, my chef.
That's so much.
Whatever you want, she prepares.
Baby, you have a chef.
It's a wealthy man's house. We have chefs, we have drivers, we have cleaners, we have gatemen.
Wow. Nne, do you have food in the house?
Not yet, but you can place your order and then I'll prepare it.
Really?
Yeah.
Sharp.
Whatever you say, she will prepare it. English breakfast, chicken a la carte, Chinese rice, or for just mention it, you know.
Interesting. Nick, do you know how to make spaghetti bolognese?
Of course, I'm at your service.
You can make it. But sharp. Go and make it for me, oh. Hey! I married an Odogu. Odogu double silencer. Hey!
So tell me, what were you doing in the village?